Should women be viled? Absolutely not. The woman is highly appreciated and celebrated in Judaism to such an extent that the Torah tells us that it's through the merit of the righteous women that Hashem took us out of Egypt, and it's through the merit of the righteous women that Hashem will send the Mashiach. So women are highly celebrated and praised in Judaism so long as they're modest women. Women that are immodest, women that are immoral, are just people that are sinners and certainly not fit the righteous woman category. Same as a man that's not moral and not honest, also is not fit to the righteous. So it all depends on whether somebody followed the laws of the Torah or not. If they followed the laws of the Torah, both men and women are celebrated and honored. But if they go against the Torah, then God hates them.